In this video I'm going to show you these 6 pendants one by one up to the camera. These are rough Ethiopian opal, and these are very large size opal. I'm going to hold them in my hand so you can see how big they really are. And these 3 have been carved, which takes a lot of skill. They carve away the sand. As you can see in this one, there's sand intermingled with the opal, and that's how you find it in nature. It has sand intermingled with the opal a lot of times, and then if they carve all that sand away, if you're lucky, you get these big pieces of beautiful opal. And so the carved ones are very hard to come by, and usually in the thousands of dollars. So I'm very lucky to have these at a reasonable price that I can offer you. This one is number 1, and you can see the beautiful fire as I turn it in the light. That's number 1. Number 2 is quite large. And I have all of these on solid sterling silver chains and on long 24-inch chains. I can put it on any length chain that you desire. And look at the fire in this one. This is so rare, I can't tell you, to have this kind of fire in such a large piece of opal like this. And I love the shape that it was carved, that sand, cutting away all the sand created. And it is equally beautiful on the other side. You can decide to wear it one way or the other. Beautiful. Number 2. Number 3 is probably the most vivid of all of these 6. Let's get that in focus for you. And this one really catches the light. And I like this one equally on both sides too. Look at the red fire on this side. Just incredible. Beautiful opal. That was number 3. Number 4 is a rough piece, which is just how it is mined. When you mine it, it looks just like this after it's been cleaned off. And I put a beautiful sterling silver veil on this one too. I'll move that chain for you so you can see it. And this one really glows in the dark. Just a beautiful rough Ethiopian opal. Very large. This one has beautiful green fire and some orange fire in it. Just lovely. That was number 5. And the last one, number 6, has a lot of green fire in it as well. And this is how we find it in chips like this, and you can imagine trying to carve those into cabochons and things. It is quite a skilled job to cut these into cabochons. And I really love the rough opal. I have quite a bit of jewelry that I've made from this rough opal. So there you go. That's number 1 through 6. I'll show you the numbers one more time. And they come on these beautiful sterling silver chains, which are getting tangled up right as we speak. There we go. So we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can choose those from the drop-down menu, and it will say the price there as well. Thanks for watching.